What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another new video. Today we are going to go over StreamLabs desktop, and this is for people that want to do recordings or live streams. This is what I use when I do recordings and live streams. So first thing is you have your Untitled. So these are your. So when I stream, I have a starting soon. I have a just chatting. As you can see me, hi. Gameplay. But I see all these sources I got. You don't need all of these, but you can have them. Got my BRB. Ending. And then here's a new scene. I don't have the game in the background on that scene, but I will show you how. So, I go back to my recording tab. I just made this. If you want to make a tab, you just go here and it'll say add a new scene. You just click that plus, name whatever you want it, click done, and then you're on the new scene. So once you're on the new scene, go back here. So once you're on the new scene, so right here's my new one, you would go up here to this plus. So add a new source to your scene includes widgets. So here's your central sources and then your general sources. Got your widgets down here, and then just want general, boom. Just want widgets, boom. But you can have all. I think it's better to just leave it on all. So let's say you want to do capture gameplay, right? So if we want to capture the game in the background and not worry about capturing this, I'm starting to use screen capture, but you can do display capture, you could do game capture, probably do window capture. I've never done window capture, but for right now, we're going to do screen capture. So we'll click it, we'll click add source, and then you can add an existing one if you have one, but if you don't have one, you'll get this. So we're just going to name this games, because this is mainly what games are going to be on. So I'll click add source, and then this box shows up. So you have automatic, you can then capture an entire screen, or you can capture a window. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to click this one. I'm playing Farm Together right now. Thursday there will be a stream on Twitch of Farm Together. So if you guys want to be there, you can. You don't have to. And then you can show additional. So that's just like capture cursor. You don't really need to worry about that. So just click done, and there you go. So now, let's say you wanna you're probably wondering how would I pull this back up if I have a screen capture on. So you have these little eyeballs. So for the game's screen capture, I have a slash through it. That means you can't see it. So if I click it, boom, back to Farm Together. So we'll leave that off right now. So let's say you want to add a webcam. You just click that plus again, and then, you just go over here and do a window capture. This is what window capture is. Got it. Pretty sure. Hold up. It's been a bit. Okay, it's video capture device. Right here. Not window capture. We'll find out what that is. But it's a video capture. My bad. So you click add source. So I have a webcam already made. So let's just make a new one. So this is what you'll see. And we're just going to name this Web 2 for me. So we'll do that. And then click the device you have. I'm going to deactivate and then active. And then we're going to configure. So like right here, shows like your brightness, contrast, sharpness, all that. So we're going to go ahead and do, you could do capture audio only. You just have to look through it, basically. Let's see here. Resolution. Let's do custom. So like I just clicked out of it, so it just all disappeared. So if you just right click on it, go to properties, pull us back up. We'll just keep that default. And then we'll just click close. Now, webcam is not wanting to pop up, which is weird. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and remove it. So I just removed it. We're just gonna click it again. We're just gonna add the one that I already had, so that you guys can see it works. So let's just go up here to properties. Let's do configure video. So we're gonna close this. We're gonna go in here. So like we could change the brightness of it. I've never done this. Never messed with this. So we're gonna make it look good. So let's go ahead and do that. We're gonna do that. I don't want to make myself look like a burn. Jesus. That's good. We're gonna go ahead and lower. Let's just pop it up here. Sharpness. Bump that up. Alright, so the white balance. What's this do? Nothing. Can't do anything with it. Where's this? Can we move it? Oh, we can. Oh. Oh. Okay. So the black light, we don't have none. Okay. Gain. That's doing nothing. I've never, like I said, never messed with this. Camera control. We could zoom it in. Never done this, really. Never. We could do focus. So, there it's out of focus. Nice. Alright, so exposure. Whoa, you can make it really dark. We can make it really... That lags the webcam. Wow, don't want that. Okay. We'll keep that like that. Keep that at 0. Zoom doesn't work, I don't think. And then you got it. And none of these do anything, I guess. I don't know. But we're gonna press apply, do that, and then you just do that, you can lower it. So we're gonna just do that right there. Alright, so now we got our webcam. We got our game tab. And then you don't need the display capture. So like anything you don't need, just right click, remove. Or you can turn it off. So like I can turn it off, everything's gone. So let's go ahead, let's see here. So if you want an image, there's an image, want a slideshow, it's basically all like, it's easy, basically. Let's see what this window capture is. Window capture. So window capture is like, okay. So window capture, we're gonna remove it, I don't want it. So that is just like game capture, I take it. Which is, pretty cool. And you got your widgets, everything that you need if you want to do streaming. But that's basically it. You just go over here to properties. This is how you get your devices and stuff, like your microphone, and then your speakers or headset, whatever you're using. And you can do all of that. I have this muted for the web, so I know for sure it's not picking it up. As you see, nothing. And that's basically it, guys. Very simple. In order to once you get this, there's a little cogwheel down here. Just click it, and you'll just press log out or log in, whatever you're doing. And then here's all your stuff. So you got your stream, output, audio, and video, hotkeys, advanced, scene collections, notifications, appearance, remote control, virtual webcam, game overlay. If you need support, there's support. They also have Prime. So basically Prime gets you free overlays and stuff that they offer and everything else. I don't do it. It's just a waste, really. But that's about it, guys. And thank you for watching. Hope this helps someone in need. And I will see you guys later on. Take care.